How do you make thin lips look fuller? I know that's a question I've had, and we have got all the answers right here. I can't wait to show you these products. How do we make thin lips look fuller? As we age, we lose collagen, we lose color, we just start losing some things. So we're gonna talk about how to bring some of that back to life. I know that my lips have been pretty even on both sides, but as I've aged, the top lip has gotten a little bit smaller, my bottom lip, it hangs out there and it's doing a pretty good job, but this is a common problem as people age, which is fine because we got a fix for it. Actually, we're gonna talk about a lip plumper and our lip primer. Now, these are two products that we put on before we put anything else on. Now, I like to put the lip plumper on first, which I'm gonna do right now. Now, this has a slight tingling feeling to it. I actually really like it. It tingles. Makes my lip feel like I brushed them with a toothbrush. It's kind of got a minty flavor and it's got some tingle to it, so it just feels minty fresh. Imagine minty fresh in a lip plumper, and you got it right here. Now, it takes just a couple of minutes for that to kick in, and as it kicks in, your lips will get fuller and more plump, and the color comes back a little bit. It's very, very nice. I know a lot of people put this on right before they go to bed just to kind of get their lips full and ready to get restored as they start sleeping. So this lip plumper has mushroom and flower extracts that will help you feel that little tingling and for them to get plumper and more full, which is kind of fun. So I wouldn't eat it, but you can definitely put it on your lips and taste it because it does taste really good. Now, once that is pretty dry, and it is, then you add your primer. Now, the primer is really nice because it will follow the line of your lip, and it will help that color to stay on. Now, here's the thing. If you forget to put the plumper on, you can always do it after you've put your lips on. I do like to put it on first and then my primer as the steps. But there's no hard and fast rules as far as when to put the plumper on. Some people put it on after they put on their lipstick. Now I'm going to go right into the liner. Now, because my lips are losing their plumpness, I'm going to make sure that this line is on the actual line and slightly outside. I'm going with a pretty bold color, and when you do that, just make sure you go slow, take your time, make sure that you get that line really nice and even. Fixing that, if you go out, is a little harder to fix. Completely, totally possible, just a little harder. It'll just take a little more time. So if you're in a hurry, just make sure you take a minute and you take a deep breath, and then you go ahead and put your liner on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, if you have thin lips, see, I can't talk, but if you do have thin lips, I really do suggest a lip liner because it really outlines them and helps your lips define where they are. Now, once I have that on, I kind of rub my lips together. The primer kind of helps it to smooth in there too. And then I go ahead on to my lipstick, and this is a lipstick gloss. And I really did go bold with this, so my eyes are not as bold because my lips are going to be the show. And there you have it. Now, bold is a pretty bold. Now, red is a pretty bold choice to use on any type of lip, particularly a thin lip. So it's really important that you do use your liner so it has a place to stay in. And it's very important that you use your primer so it doesn't bleed out and go to crazy places. But this is the bold lip. And I think it looks great, particularly in my purple and orange outfit. It really accentuates it. It brings attention to me and complements my outfit really nicely. So I love this look. I think it's really fun and quite interesting. And I'm glad that it's in trend right now because it's fun to wear. If you have thin lips, make sure that you use our lip plumper. It really does help even out your lips and gives you a full voluminous lip that will be luscious all day long. So make sure you use it. Make sure you use your lip liner and you will look amazing. Just like my lips.